No, we'll just set up the camera.
Why?
There's a bag in there with holes in it.
We're sitting here recording and everyone's packing up. I mean, unpacking.
Like on top of that blanket.
Camping spot tour. Someone give a tour of our camp. Tour guide Kyle.
And here we have 3 tables. Why 3? I don't know.
What? Since
Was
when?
there only 1?
There's usually only 2.
But we got the additional.
We built it. You could have so many people here and we only have 5.
Guys, we've been here before camping last year. Remember
So here's my table. Squidward. And then we have a little stream. They're still here.
Who wrote that? You?
I think so, yeah. Here's our tent. We're currently making bacon. And it smells really good. And we're gonna have BLTs for dinner. And I don't know. Whatever.
What is something in the middle? It looks like so often dead. Oh my god!
Close to walking all the way.
Guys, it's thundering and it was raining a little bit. Oh my god. We're just going to the store right now.
So we're just walking to the pool. These guys are running like hooligans. But the pool round 2, even though I'm not really supposed to be going in because I have a new tattoo. But, you know, there's like a park over here.